Before installation, you need to adjust the left-right direction of the handle. Find the screwdriver. Take the screw down. And now rotate the handle. Now it's right direction. Okay, now rotate to another direction. And now install the screw. So it's left direction now. Same. This is interior handle. Take the screw down. And now rotate the direction to another one. And now install back the screw. So now direction set it successfully. Another important thing. Here is a point. The circle point should face the ground. If the circle is not face ground, there are two possible situations will happen. First, anyone can open the door from outside without finger password card. And second is, inside the house, when you press the handle, you cannot open the door. That's a problem.
Must use tongs to fix screw pillar.
Install the springs inside. You need to cut the length according to the door thickness. One more time. Make sure the circle point is face the ground.
This is double lock knob. Need to insert the hole. Pressing handle to test lock works well. Testing double lock knob. Installing for PC's AA batteries.
How to open the lock if the battery is out of power? First, unlock by the key. Insert the keys and rotate 90 degrees. Press handle, open the door, and go inside. You change the new battery. Second way is in the bottom there is a Type-C port. Find a power bank. Find the Type-C port and insert to the Type-C port and the bottom. Now the lock has power. Read your finger, open the door, and go inside the house. Change the battery.